What a fine day, everybody, isn't it? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And I want to welcome you guys to our YouTube channel App Tutorial, where we post tutorial videos just like this. And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can activate your Netspend gift card. But before I tell you guys how you guys can activate it, let me tell you guys what Netspend Prepaid gift card is. If you guys have used Amazon gift card, Best Buy gift card, then Netspend gift card is similar to that. But instead of Amazon, it's owned by Netspend. And in Netspend, it's a Visa gift card. So have you used a Visa card? Then it's similar to that. But in Visa gift card, you can load your money. But in Netspend gift card, you can't load your money. And there's going to be a set amount of money in the card. If you use it, the card is useless. All right. So that's what you know a Netspend prepaid gift card is. So let me show you guys how you guys can activate it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question related with the video, you can ask us in the comment and let's move forward. So the first step is you want to search for Netspend and click on register.netspend.com over here. Once you do that, it's going to take you to its official website. Once you're over here, click on Register Activate Card. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the card activation place. And once you're in the card activation place, you need to find some information of your card. So it's going to ask you to enter the card number and security code over here. So first enter your card number and then enter the security code. Now remember, don't worry about it. All this information is going to be on the back side of your Netspend gift card. So just flip the card and see the information, and after entering it over here, just click and continue and your card will be activated. And the advantage of activating your card is you can use your card online. If you have not yet activated your Netspend gift card, you can only use it offline in a physical store. But if you activate it, you can use it online in store like Amazon and in Netflix. Alright, so that's how this thing works. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.